What's up guys, welcome once again to MKZ Crypto. In this video we are going to review some factors to consider before investing in any cryptocurrency project. As in any type of investment, one has to do their due diligence before committing any amount of money into any investment. I do understand not all investments turn out to be profitable. However, a little bit of research could lessen the potential impact or risk a bad investment could result into. Before we start, a little bit of a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor or do your own research before you start investing in cryptocurrency. Having said that, let's get into it. Factors to consider before investing in any cryptocurrency project. That is the fundamental analysis. What is a fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis basically is the study of anything that affects the value of cryptocurrency, in our case here, but as well as anything that you're investing in, be it a company or a stock. As a crypto investor, for you to have some level of confidence in investing in any particular project, you should consider the following. The project. What problem is the project aiming to solve? Has the team identified a problem within the society that this cryptocurrency project is aiming to solve? Is there a problem in the supply chain? Is there a problem in the monetary system? Is there a problem in the transfer of money between borders that the team has identified and then they're aiming to use the cryptocurrency to solve? Is there a use case for this project? And what is a use case? A use case is simply a specific situation in which a project or service could potentially be used in. So look and see, is there a problem to be solved? Is there a use case for this project before you start investing in? Moving on. Will it get the backing of the people? Do you think in your own research, do you think people are willing or will be willing to spend money to support or invest in this project? What competition does this project face? If there is a competitor, then you know there's going to be an uphill battle for this project to succeed. So you have to think twice before you invest. I do believe that they can survive, they can succeed even with the competition. But then again, it's up to you to do your due diligence. The project team. You have to examine the experiences of the people behind the project. That is, you have to look at the background of the team. You have to go into, say, LinkedIn, Twitter, and what have you. Look for blockchain experience. You know, the people behind the project, have they been in this blockchain business for some time, or are they just coming in from a totally different background? You know, within few months or weeks, they're already into blockchain and they're starting the team or they're starting the project. That is a red flag. The size of the team. How many people make the team? You know, so how many people are in the team? You have to make sure you examine because the larger the team, there's going to be a lot of friction moving forward. The reputation of the developers behind the project. You have to look at the developers. Have they good reputation within the industry? Are they having the right qualification to be developers within the project? The team track record. If they've been in the business for a while, what are the track record of these team members? Have they been able to succeed in any of the previous projects that they were engaged in? These are all some important factors that we have to consider. The earning potential. So you look at what is the current and the projected market cap of this project. What are the potential for people to buy this coin or this crypto? Do you think a lot of people will be willing to invest their money in this project? These are some of the factors that we have to consider here. What are the starting supply and the cap supply for this crypto? How many coins are they offering? Are they going to be offering unlimited coin? If they do, then how are they going to maintain the value of this coin? But if they have a cap, what is the cap? There's a value in investing in something like that. Does it have a short-term or long-term potential? That's one thing you have to consider. If I put my money into this project or into this crypto or into this investment, am I expecting to have a short-term or a long-term potential, return on investment? These are some of the things that you have to consider under the earning potential of this project. Now, the next block we're going to look at is the project white paper and the roadmap, right? So you look at the white paper that they have and everything that we've talked about previously, the project team, the earning potential, everything will be documented in the white paper. And this is what you have to look for. You read the white paper, and it's very, very important. Before you commit your money and your funds into any of this cryptocurrency project, you have to read the white paper. Usually the white paper is between 15 to 20 pages to the most. You read it, understand what the project is doing, what are the problems that you're aiming to solve, what are the use cases out there, the developers, the reputation, the team size, the earning potential. These things are very important, and you can find all of these things in the white paper and the roadmap. So you look at the white paper, you looked at the team, you look at the composition of the team, the project team, the experiences, the backgrounds, where they're coming from, experiences in blockchain and what have you. And then also you looked at, is the timeline for this project completion feasible? Whatever timeline they set to achieve this completion, is it something that they can achieve within the set timeline? What are the project team's goals? What are the goals that they set for themselves? How long are they going to take to move from one phase or from one milestone to the next milestone? What are the goals that they set? These are very important consideration as well. Is the project a strong project overall? You have to read the white paper again. Read the white paper, know exactly what they're doing, and know exactly what the project overall strength is. All right, moving on. So now we looked at the crypto research resources. So if you're going to do your research to identify any potential project that you want to invest your money in, there are a lot of tools out there you can leverage to do your research into any potential project you want to invest in before you commit your money into. So for instance, we have CoinMarketCal, stands for Coin Market Calendar, right? So the CoinMarketCal, this is one of the go-to must-have tool when you're doing your research into potential cryptocurrency. We're going to look into this. The next one we're going to look at is OnChainFX. This is also one of the best tools out there for doing your crypto research. And then also we have CoinMarketCap. We've looked at this before, but we're going to look at it again and see how you can do your research into the project team and what they have going on. And also the crypto news resources. This is very, very important. You have to have a news resource where you keep yourself abreast with the happenings within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It is very, very important. One of the main ones here are the CoinDex. You can leverage the CoinDex to get news within the cryptocurrency, what is happening, and also you can leverage the Cointelegraph to read the news about what is happening within the crypto. All right, moving on. So now we have the CoinMarketCal. So CoinMarketCal is a cryptocurrency project calendar where you can see all up and coming events and news on crypto or a coin. It is used to analyze the fundamentals of crypto or coin. It relies on users to vote on the reliability or the validity of events. So basically the fundamental analysis using this site is it tells you what to buy. You do the fundamental analysis using CoinMarketCal just to understand what the project is all about and what to buy and what not to buy. So for instance, on this site here, you have the date. You can click on the date and then you can see all up and coming event. You have today, you have tomorrow, you have the next 7 days, the next 30 days. So whatever event you want to see, you can specify the date, and then you can search by keywords, or you can go by the coin. If you know the coin that you're looking for, you can just type in the coin that you're looking for, and then you can search it. So for instance, if I'm looking for, say, Stellar, I click on Stellar, I have it here, SLM, and then I can see what is coming out for Stellar. So by the 17th of March 2021, test network reset. They're going to reset the test network, right? So I see there's one project coming up. All right, so moving up, when you go to this main page here, we see we have the proof, we have the source, and also we have the percentage down here, and then we have the total vote, right? These total votes are the number of people who voted for this event. And out of this total number that vote for this event, 1,163, 89% confirm that this is actually a valid event coming up. So you see, it tells you the number of people that vote and then what percentage of the people believe that this is actually a true and valid event coming up. So you see, you can actually vote real or fake, and this is how we support this CoinMarketCal. It relies on the users to vote or rate the validity of event. All right, so moving on. You can also see the exchanges, whatever exchanges that you're looking to buy, you can click by exchange and see what events are coming up within any cryptocurrency within this crypto exchange. For instance, when I select Binance, if I want to see the coin that are in Binance that has any news event coming up, I select Binance, and then I'll look, and then we have all of these coin here that are being traded on Binance. We have the name, we have the hash graph. These are all coins that are being traded on Binance. Also, one of the things that you have to look on this site here again is the trending, the significant, and then the hot, right? So these are the trending event coming up. You can look at the trending event and see if there is any potential coin you want to invest in, or the significant event, or the hot event, right? So sometimes you see that an event has three of those legends. They have the trending, they have the significant, and then they have the what? The hot, all in one. Right, this tells you the validity of this event. Also, you can go by the categories, right? You can look at the categories of the event that you want to see. You want to see the team update, or you want to see the airdrop, or you want to see the roadmap update. If they have any update in their roadmap, you want to see that, you can click on that. You want to see any up and coming conference within your crypto project, you can select that and then see exactly what's going on in there. If there is any project with an up and coming roadmap, right? So you see roadmap update, new roadmap, and stuff like that within this cryptocurrency. And also, a lot of time, most buy and sell decisions are based on these events. So if you looked at the event, if the event coming is a positive event, or if it is a negative event, so that tells you whether to sell or to buy, right? Now, the next one to look at is the OnChainFX, right? So this OnChainFX has a lot of information that you can leverage. So the way I go about navigating this site is I first go to our data, and then I click on the research. All right, so now I'm going to search for any particular cryptocurrency or coin that I want to do my research on. Say, for instance, I want to do a research on Link. So I choose the chain link. So here, right, I can see that, I can see the white paper, I can see the website, I can see the GitHub, the Telegram, the Twitter, and then the blog, right? So here, if I click on the white paper, right there, I can see the white paper for this chain link, and it's about 38 pages long. So you can read the white paper and see what are the team, what are they doing, the long-term technical strategy, the existing Oracle solution, the conclusion. You know, you can see the Oracle security, the chain link decentralization approach, architecture overview, and what have you. So this white paper is a must read for any of the cryptocurrency that you are investing in. All right, moving on. So you can actually go to the Twitter site of this crypto. So for instance, when you click on the Twitter main site, this is very, very important because this is where you get your official notification about the project. All right, moving on. So let's say you're looking at Stellar Lumens, right? All right, so now we have the white paper for Stellar. Let's look at that. See, the white paper is here. Let's see. So we have about 32 pages of that. So you can go through the white paper, read for yourself, see what the project is doing. If it is something that you believe in, you can comfortably invest in it. All right, so you can also go to the website, the main website for Stellar. And this is this website. You can look at the tools that they're using. You know, you learn about, you know, what Stellar is all about, the tools, the ecosystem. You can learn about their developers. You know, who are their developers? What are they doing? What are their background? What experiences do they have in blockchain? You can, you know, review all of that, especially on their website. All right, moving on. So you can also follow them again on Twitter and see the official notification of whatever they have going on. Money could move like email. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. All right, so now let's look at the CoinMarketCap. So for instance, we have this here. We have, say we have Litecoin. We can go into Litecoin and then see Here you can also do your research in here and see exactly what the project team is doing. So example, you can see what is this, who are the founders of this Litecoin. Once you know the founders, you can quickly do a LinkedIn, background check or a Twitter check and see what their background is, what their experiences with blockchain are, and what have you. So this is one of the good websites you can also leverage when you're doing your research into the background of the team. Yeah, you can also see how is the Litecoin network secure, and also where you can buy Litecoin. So you have exchanges like the Huobi Global, we have the Binance, we have the Coinbase Pro, and so on and so forth. All right. So let's say, for instance, we're looking to Bitcoin. You can see that here we have the source code. If you're a developer or you're technically inclined and then you want to look at the source code, you can. You want to see the white paper, you can. And then moving down here, you have the overview, that we just looked at the last time. You also have the market. You can look at the market, see exactly where you can trade Bitcoin. We have the historical data. So this historical data actually tells you the price of Bitcoin in way back in time. You can actually set the time and the date, and then look at the date range. So whatever date you want to see, you can go back and see the price of Bitcoin around that time. So let's say, for instance, we're looking at this date here. Say done. So see, we can go back down and see what Bitcoin was trading at. All right, so in May 2019, Bitcoin was trading at what? It opens at 8,000 and then closes at 7,000. So between 7,000 and 8,000, that was what was traded in May 2019. Now let's look at the news source. So if you are in a crypto, or you are in the crypto investment, or you trade, you buy and sell crypto, definitely you want to read news about the crypto, what's going on within the crypto market, and what have you. So this is one of the sites that is going to be a must-have site for you. You always have to, you can get news and latest update and events as they happen on CoinDesk. You go to CoinDesk, you can go to news, read about what's going on, the latest news, the tech news, learn more about the asset, videos, what have you. This is you can do a lot on this site. You get a lot of updates, a lot of news in the crypto space. And then the next one here is going to be the Cointelegraph, and it's the same exact as the CoinDesk. You have the news, you have the market, you have the people, Cryptopedia, everything that is happening within the cryptocurrency space. You get the news and update here on these two sites, the CoinDesk and the Cointelegraph. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And do comment below and let me know your thoughts and what videos you would like to see. See you in the next video.